Linde diesel and LPG trucks are different from other trucks. Buried deep inside is an exceptional drive system, the unique Linde Hydrostatic transmission. This transmission doesn't use a conventional drivetrain with gears and clutches, just a simple maintenance-free, closed-loop oil circuit. The advantages for the operator: stepless acceleration from rest, smooth braking and precise operation, regardless of engine speed. The advantages for the customer: high handling efficiency, low maintenance costs, low fuel consumption and unmatched productivity. How does the system work? The truck's engine drives an axial piston pump, which consists of a cylinder block with pistons rotating on a circular disc called a swash plate, whose angle can be adjusted steplessly from 0 to maximum to control the flow of oil. If the swash plate is angled to the other side, the oil will flow in the opposite direction. Two axial piston motors, one at each drive wheel, turn the oil flow into a circular movement to drive the wheels. Truck speed depends on the output of the pump. As the swash plate angle increases, the output of the pump increases. More oil flows and the truck accelerates smoothly and steplessly. If the swash plate swivels back, the truck decelerates without the need for an additional braking system and without any wear and tear to components. When the swash plate is in a neutral position, no oil flows and the truck remains stationary. The Linde twin-pedal driving control allows precise operation in both directions. By pressing on the right-hand pedal, the swash plate swivels and the truck accelerates steplessly in the forward direction. As soon as the pedal is released, it returns to the neutral position and the truck smoothly decelerates to a stop. By pressing on the left pedal, the swash plate pivots in the opposite direction, causing the oil to flow in the reverse direction. The truck then drives backwards. The Linde hydrostatic transmission does not require parts such as brakes, a clutch or a differential, which are susceptible to damage and wear. Lifting hydraulics are powered by a variable displacement pump. A load-sensing system controls engine speed as well as the angle of the swash plate in the pump in relation to the weight being picked up. This ensures that the engine is always operating at optimum speed, conserving fuel and reducing wear and tear. Intelligent Linde electronics regulates the relationship between the engine and the Linde traction and lifting pumps. Simultaneous driving and lifting are easy, as each function is entirely independent of the other, with the electronics providing the optimum power for the operating conditions. Fast lifting as well as precise load handling are only two features in a long list of advantages of the Linde hydrostatic transmission. All this while the engine is running in an economical speed range, reducing fuel consumption and exhaust gas emissions and engine wear and tear. Simple handling, high operational safety and great efficiency ensure that the Linde hydrostatic drive is always one step ahead of the competition.